Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is most demanded video from all of you, that is just related to Wipro NTH 2022 batch document verification mail update. So finally this video I will make. Okay, so what are the request to upload documents for background check? This type of mail will be come from Wipro NTH team, and which documents are mandatory, backlog criteria, submit documents, complete process, complete points in one video. So let's start the video. Okay, so this type of mail will be come to candidates like request to upload documents for background check. Okay, so dear Abhirup, thank you for your interest in joining Wipro. As part of our hiring process, we need to conduct background verification necessary for employment with Wipro. Okay, this position is contingent on a completed and approved background verification. Please click here to access ICIMS candidate desktop. Okay, it is just like a portal or any other portal from the Wipro team. So you have to just click here. You may use forget your login or password to reset the password. And where is the path to access verification portal? Like there is a background verification. After that, fill more profile detail. Okay, please upload, and there is one important point. Please upload all the mandate documents in a PDF format within 20 days from the receipt of this email for the verification purpose. Okay, so when you just got this email, okay, so you have a 20 days to upload all the mandate documents. Declaration, first point is declaration. You have to accept the letter of authorization, and the second is personal details. Please fill and upload all the mandatory details and documents in the personal details. Upload photograph as per norms. Enter all the mandatory fields. Upload ID proof documents. The address mentioned in the ID proof should be matched with the address that is updated in the address tab. Upload Aadhaar card, both front side and address page, and PAN card. Okay. If permanent and current address is different, proof of both address has been uploaded. Okay, so this type of documents are mandatory, and this type of address proof can be accepted like Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, driving license, electricity bill, gas bill, bank or passbook. Okay, if I just talk about the education, so you have to fill the requested details on the portal and upload below documents. Undergraduate BE BTech candidates, first to sixth semester original or clear internet copy of the mark sheet. You have to just upload your clear internet copy of the mark sheet. Undergraduate BCA, BSc and BBA and BCom, first to fourth semester, 12th mark sheet, 10th mark sheet, and diploma provisional certificate if you just done the diploma. Okay, so this type of for the just related to education. And note, okay, note is 7th and semester mark sheet should be uploaded as soon as results are declared. This is the important point. Okay, so before going on to the some other process, there is very good platform that known as Relevel, and you can get your dream job in 15 days. India's finest company trust Relevel to hire. Claim your profile by taking this test. Okay, so there are 200 plus leading companies that trust Relevel like CRAD, Image, Misho, Urban Pro, Upgrade, and there are so many candidates that they score good in some of the means the test, and you can win exciting prizes like a MacBook, iPhone and Apple Watch. Okay, so how do we work means the how the Relevel test will be work. 4 steps to get your dream job. Register for this test, take the test, interview with employers, accept the offer. India's finest company hire on Relevel. Okay, so this is the just complete related to the Relevel. And when you just click on the get hired, so there are 3 type of tests: business, front end and back end. Okay, so there are new 2 type of tests are also there: business analytics, data analytics. There are more than 6 plus LPA package, and you can just check the complete process here. And for the Android system, you can just download this app, okay, from Play Store. And if you are using iPhone, okay, or Apple device, so you can just download it from App Store. Okay, all the links in the description, you can just check from below. So the next process is work experience. Okay, please fill the requested details on the portal, if any. Not required to fill in detail about the internship. Okay, so the address check, please fill in the permanent address details as mentioned in the proof. The address entered should match with the proof uploaded. Okay, if the proof for the permanent address is not uploaded, please go back to the personal details tab and upload the proof. You have to just upload the address proof also. Please note below additional point for your reference. Aadhaar card and PAN card are mandatory documents. Okay. Ensure to name the file accordingly, like 10th mark sheet, PAN, okay, 12th mark sheet. Please apply and upload Aadhaar and PAN card within 20 days from the receipt of this email if you don't have this document. Okay. In case the BGV link is expired, follow below process, like click to regenerate option, re-login and upload the document. Okay. If you have any queries, you can post your queries that campus help desk. And one important point, at any stage, whether during your interview process or upon joining the company, if it is brought to you or notice that you have been indulged in malpractices or used illegal means to clear your online assessment, the company will revoke your offer with immediate effect. Okay. So this is the complete details that is related to background check in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video. Happy Diwali again.